Hello, folks. Again, we are going to unscrew this vacuum cleaner, which I don't know if this is the proper tool to unscrew it, so we're going to get started here. So, let's see. I see there's one unscrewed right here. It's right here.
Need help?
See, I'll show you. Wait, let me zoom in. Where's the screw?
Right there.
Yeah, right there. Okay. All right, we're going to unscrew this. Can you hold the camera? Watch me unscrew it. Okay. Wait, is this the right? This might not be the right one. Like I said.
Well, I mean, we could just smash it.
No, I don't want to smash it. Otherwise, our residents will get pissed off at us. Oh, it's actually working.
It's working?
It was moving. I don't know what it's doing now. What the fuck am I even doing? I don't even know what the hell I'm doing.
It's a nice day out, isn't it?
What the fuck, man? He's trying to move out of the way. Watch, move. Stupid son of a bitch won't screw. I think it's the wrong one that I have, or I'm doing it wrong. Okay, this is out. Okay. Okay, here. Fuck! I almost had it.
Do you realize?
Is it still recording?
Yeah,
Is it still recording? How many minutes?
2 minutes, 220.
Okay, that's unscrewed. Take that out.
Let me put it right here.
Put all the unscrewed. And here's this one we're going to unscrew now. For that way it's breakable.
Why'd you slam it?
What?
Why did you slam it?
Because it wouldn't do shit. And it's pissing me off. Come on. Don't have all day here. Okay, there we go.
Okay, that's the second screw.
Let's see. Oh, we got more screws. We got some more.
Where?
We got more right here. See there? See it? Unless they're on the other side.
Going on 3 minutes.
Fuck.
Motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Motherfucker.
Fuck. Is that gonna unscrew it now?
Yeah.
Is that gonna unscrew it? Is that gonna fix it?
That might work too, yeah. I think that will work just fine.
I think we need new tools. What the fuck, man?
It's being a pussy, isn't
Yeah,
it?
being a pussy. Hang on, I need to see what I'm doing here. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
How many minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Yeah. Come on.
You got a battery? Can you go see if there's any in the house?
No, we're gonna have to try.
Okay, wait, let's try a different one. Okay. That came apart. Do you see any other?
Right here, right here.
There's more. But how the fuck do you... How the fuck... fuck's sake, help me, man. Help me, Jacob.
Yeah.
This is not working.
Cocksucker.
Cocksucker. Man, son of a bitch, these are really hard to get out.
Is it coming out?
Finally, fuck. Jesus.
My good goodness.
My God, that took forever.
There's another one right
Is there
here.
more?
Right here. Right here.
Another one?
Yeah, right there. Right there. I think you got to do it. See, can you? Is it trapped in there? Okay. Let me open this.
Ready? No, no, no.
Okay.
Stand there on the right there.
Okay.
Okay. What does this see? Up surprise. Up surprise. Here's the tool. Should I just do it like this?
Think we're done? Think we're done?
What do you think?
Yeah, I think we're done. Maybe one last hit and then that's it.
Like this? Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
How many minutes?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam, bam! It's stuck.
Hit it hard on the table. Harder.
It's recording.
Where? Get that, get that.
It's recording. Recording.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Fuck!
Oh my god, did you see that? I videotaped. Alright, let me try. Careful. Here, record. Don't stop recording. Careful. Holy shit! Get that metal thing. Is that the battery? Wait. Is that the battery? Is it recording? You still got the other video, right? Yeah. Recording? Yeah. Son of a bitch! Do it slow, do it slow. Watch out. Oh my god. Throw it, just throw it. I think it's done. Do you think there's one more piece? Let me see that. Done. Fuck you. Vacuum cleaner. This is hard to destroy. Hold on. Let me... Fuck! Is that steel? Record it. Wait, not yet, not yet. Not on the glass window. No, I'm just gonna...